Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Instagram Marketing 3.0 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Instagram for your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate Instagram marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1. Instagram Marketing Basics. In videos 1 through 4, we'll talk about what is Instagram all about. What can Instagram do for your business? Shocking Instagram marketing facts to consider. Instagram walkthrough. Section 2. Marketing on Instagram, step by step. In videos 5 through 10, we'll talk about set up Instagram for business, your Instagram business settings, posting and sharing, Instagram stories, Instagram advertising, and types of Instagram ads. Section 3. Advanced Instagram marketing strategies. In videos 11 through 16, we'll talk about Instagram Insights, Instagram microblogging for maximum reach, shooting great marketing videos on Instagram, snapping great marketing pictures on Instagram, advanced Instagram marketing tips from the experts, using Instagram Direct for killer engagement. Section 4. Additional tips to consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of Instagram marketing. I know you'll love this training.